Unboxing your Shift4 ONE device. Inside the box, you will find the terminal, the plug and cable for charging, and a tilt roll. Before you or your merchant starts transacting, please ensure they have registered their account on Lighthouse Business Manager by going to lh.shift4.com. Getting started with your Shift4 ONE device. The first thing you'll need to know is to connect the device to your Wi-Fi. Open the Settings app, select Network and Internet, and choose the Wi-Fi you wish to connect to and type in the password. Now let's set up the business profile. Open the Shift4 ONE app. From the navigation menu, select Settings, select Employee, and type your business name. Let's take a look at some of the features on the Shift4 ONE. Select the icon in the top left corner to access the navigation menu. Select Payment Transactions. In here, you'll be able to view all the transactions that have been made in the last 7 days. Select one of the transactions to view its full details. From here, you will have the option to email the receipt to the customer or reprint the receipt for this transaction. If you wish to refund this transaction, select the icon in the top right of the screen and select Refund. The money will automatically be refunded into the customer's account. In the navigation menu, you can also view reports. Select Reports. In here, you can see the reports of all the transactions from the terminal. In the navigation menu, select Settings, select Payments. In here, you can add fast payment buttons to your home screen. These will be used if you take payments for a set amount. Select Edit and input the amount. This will now be shown on your home screen. You can also enable cash if you wish to take cash payments. Select the back button in the top left to return to the settings. Select Tips if you wish to enable tipping. You can set up preset tipping amounts that will be shown when you take the payment. In Menu, you can create items that have a set price. Select Items and the blue plus symbol in the bottom right of the screen. Input the name of the item and price and select Done. This will now be shown in your menu. In Receipts, you can choose what you would like to show on your receipts, such as business details. You can also choose to have your terminal prompt for a second receipt. Accepting payments. From the home screen, enter the amount and click Pay. For card payments, you'll be redirected to the tip screen. Once the customer selects the desired tip, click Continue. Process the payment by tapping or inserting the card. You will receive confirmation once the payment has been successfully processed, and then you can select how the customer would like their receipt. For cash payments, enter the amount and click Pay. Enter the amount tendered and click Continue. The screen will display the appropriate change due. Provide the customer their change and select how you would like their receipt. Your Shift4 ONE device is now set up and ready to use in your business.